Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, we're doing an exciting unboxing from Angela Flowers. I want to give a big thank you to Angela Flowers for sending me this beautiful arch. If you've been with me for a while, you know I've shared my real honest opinion about Angela Flowers over the years, and today will be no different. I will be using these flowers for an upcoming wedding that I will also be sharing right here on my channel, so make sure to stay tuned for that. As soon as I opened the box, I noticed how beautiful everything was packaged. The set includes everything you need to set up your arch. It came with zip ties, extra flowers for if you need to do any extra customizing, and even a beautiful, sturdy metal arch frame so you can add your flowers. The flowers came in two separate boxes, which helped protect them during shipping. I have to say I'm in love with this design. The greenery looks so realistic, guys, and the flower combination really bring the arrangement to life. The package also include easy to follow instructions, and honestly, even if you're not super handy, you'll have no problem putting this together. Trust me, guys. Here's a quick tip I found that was the easiest way for me to add my flowers onto the arch. I find it easy to lay the arch down on the ground and use the zip tie to attach the flowers. You can also adjust the height, whether you want one side higher than the other for a more asymmetrical look, or both sides even for a classic style. I honestly love how beautiful these flowers turned out. They would match any theme or event space perfectly and guarantee to give any room that amazing wow factor. For the wedding I have coming up, I will be showing you which style I decide to go with and how I went about customizing the arch backdrop. Here's a quick preview of the flower combination that is pretty popping right now and how the centerpiece will look for the head table once I am done completing this beautiful look. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss the full backdrop reveal at the wedding venue. Let me know in the comments if you love this look and what event you use it for. And don't forget to check out Angela Flowers using the link in the description box below.